Attention construction visionaries. As builders of progress, we understand the responsibility to safeguard our planet. Uncover the profound environmental impact of construction equipment and explore game-changing green solutions at CellioreConstructionEquipment.com. Number 1. A greener approach. We're committed to reducing the carbon footprint of construction. Number 2. Discover how our range of eco-friendly construction equipment is revolutionizing the industry, paving the way for sustainable practices. Cleaner choices. Experience the power of choice. Our website offers a variety of environmentally conscious equipment, from electric marvels to low-emission champions, enabling you to make cleaner decisions for your projects. Number 3. Contributing to conservation. It's not just about today, it's about the future. Our green solutions extend beyond construction sites, embracing responsible manufacturing, efficient operation, and eco-friendly disposal. Number 5. Telematics for efficiency. Bridge efficiency with sustainability. Telematics technology optimizes equipment operations, reducing emissions and fuel consumption. Realize a more efficient, eco-conscious construction process. Number 6. Leading by example. At CellioreConstructionEquipment.com, we are committed to making a difference. Our website is your portal to explore, learn, and invest in green construction solutions that leave a positive legacy. To delve into the environmental impact of construction equipment and embrace green alternatives, visit CellioreConstructionEquipment.com or contact us at 214-773-0207. Join us in shaping a more sustainable construction landscape. Seize the power to build smarter, build greener. Visit CellioreConstructionEquipment.com today and be part of the green revolution in construction.